Hey guys, Mike Martin here for Danchuk Manufacturing, on our way to Petaluma for the American Graffiti celebration and then the start of the California Dreamin' Tour, which starts on Sunday. We're about 100 miles from our destination. The car's been running great. We've had a little bit of rain, a little bit of traffic, but nothing eventful, no surprises or anything, which is good. So we should be at our destination in Petaluma in about an hour and 45 minutes. Just stopped in the rest area just to kind of take a break and do a quick check-in. For all those who are following along, this is only our second one for the day, but at least, hey, we're here. We're almost here, I should say, and we're making progress and should be in Petaluma shortly. So we'll be doing the American Graffiti cruise tonight, as well as the car show tomorrow, and then also more cruising on Saturday night. So stay tuned for some more updates, and you'll be seeing some awesome stuff coming on Facebook. So check in from time to time, and we'll talk to you soon.